So it's about 10:47. We've been here since about 7:30. Got all hung up, on my tree stand, up because I hang and hunt. And we were in about 7:30, 7:45 in the tree. And then waited a while, and about 9 o'clock had this buck come in. He was pretty wide, and basically went right underneath the stand, and I seen him sniff the ground down there where I had put the stand up, and he didn't like it very much, so he ended up taking off. But I am actually hunting underneath a cornfield. I'll show you. So it's woods back there, and then so there's this trail that they like to come over. That last buck I shot was over in this little bushes area. They come out, and then they would go right into the cornfield and start eating or whatever. But this is my area that I've been hunting. It's been good. I've seen deer every time I've been out here. Just gotta get one down. So I'm gonna sit here for a little while longer, and then we are going, we'll get down in another day because I have to work tonight. So, but anyways, the saga continues. I am gonna put a trail camera out here tonight before I leave, so I can get some pictures, because I won't be out until next week. I'm hoping to take the whole week off next week. So, but anyways, it's a good spot, and also gonna scout a little bit around the area before I leave. So anyways, take care, God bless, love you guys.